I remember ruining my son's birthday barbecue. I bought a cheap knockoff smoker. The temperature plummeted, and the brisket was raw after 8 hours. It was a disaster. Finding the right pellet grill is a nightmare with so many models promising perfectly smoked meat, but failing to deliver consistent heat or build quality. You want that legendary wood-fired flavor without babysitting a firebox all day. Today, I'm breaking down the top Traeger grills to solve that exact problem. I've tested them all, and the grill at number 1 completely revolutionized how I cook, but you might be surprised why. 7. Traeger Ranger Portable Wood Pellet Grill. The concept of taking wood-fired flavor on the road is incredibly appealing, which is why I was initially drawn to the Traeger Ranger. Billed as the ultimate camping companion, I packed it up for a weekend trip to the mountains, envisioning perfectly smoked steaks right by the lake. On paper, having a digital controller and a cast iron griddle in a compact, suitcase-style design sounds like a rugged outdoor dream come true. The included cast iron griddle is a genuinely nice touch that I utilized heavily for morning meals. Cooking up thick-cut bacon and eggs in the crisp morning air was satisfying. The digital arc controller allows you to adjust the temperature in 5-degree increments, which theoretically gives you excellent control over your cooking environment. The keep warm mode was also quite handy when my family was out hiking and I needed to hold the food at a safe temperature without overcooking it. However, the reality of using this grill in the wild revealed some significant drawbacks. The word portable is used very loosely here because the Ranger is astonishingly heavy. Lugging this massive, awkward metal box from my truck bed to the campsite was a literal backbreaker. Furthermore, the hopper capacity is incredibly small, holding only 8 pounds of pellets. During a longer smoke session for a small pork, but I found myself tethered to the grill, constantly having to monitor and refill the hopper, which completely defeated the set-it-and-forget-it convenience Traeger is known for. Beyond the weight and hopper size, the heat distribution inside this heavily compacted unit was frustratingly uneven during my testing. The edges of the cooking grate got intensely hot, while the center struggled to maintain the set temperature, resulting in a batch of chicken wings where half were burnt and the other half were undercooked. 6. Traeger Tailgater 20. I took this model to a highly anticipated Sunday football tailgate, eager to see if it could effortlessly handle feeding a hungry, rowdy crowd straight out of the back of my truck. The promise of genuine, wood-fired barbecue on a mobile cart with foldable legs is a fantastic pitch for any sports fan or avid camper who wants more capacity than a tabletop unit. The grill provides 300 square inches of cooking space, which proved to be just enough to squeeze in a couple of racks of baby back ribs alongside a dozen hot dogs. The meat itself actually turned out quite decent, carrying that distinct, deeply savory Traeger smoke profile that I was craving. The meat probe functionality was a welcome addition, allowing me to check the internal temperature of the thicker cuts without having to repeatedly open the lid and let the precious heat escape into the chilly autumn air. Despite the decent food output, the physical design and usability presented some deeply annoying flaws. The so-called easy fold legs are incredibly cumbersome and anything but easy to operate. Setting this grill up on the pavement felt like wrestling a stubborn metal octopus. Once fully extended, the legs felt remarkably flimsy and unstable. Every time I vigorously brushed the grates or flipped a heavy rack of ribs, the entire unit wobbled nervously, making me constantly worried that a disaster was imminent on the blacktop. Another glaring issue I encountered was severe temperature fluctuation. This model lacks the advanced double-wall insulation found on Traeger's premium lines, meaning that every single gust of wind sent the internal temperature plummeting dramatically. I found myself spending significantly more time staring anxiously at the digital display, manually trying to adjust for the heat loss, rather than actually enjoying the pre-game festivities with my friends. 5. Traeger Flatrock Flat Top Grill. I will admit, I was initially highly skeptical of this machine since it departs entirely from Traeger's traditional pellet smoker identity. However, my first morning cooking a massive, diner-style breakfast for an entire house of guests completely and utterly won me over to the Flatrock lifestyle. This griddle is a masterclass in outdoor heat management and thoughtful engineering. It features a recessed carbon steel cooking surface, which I found to be a brilliant design choice because it effectively blocks the wind from blowing out the flames. I tested this during a stiff afternoon breeze, and the powerful U-shaped burners underneath maintained a flawlessly even heat across the entire board, allowing me to cook with absolute confidence. The TrueZone temperature control system is where this unit truly outshines the competition. It gives you 3 distinct, highly controllable cooking zones separated by physical heat shields beneath the surface. I was able to aggressively sear skirt steak for fajitas on one side at a screaming high heat, saute delicate onions in the middle, and gently warm tortillas on the far opposite side, without the extreme temperatures bleeding into one another and ruining the delicate items. Cleanup, which is usually my most hated chore when dealing with grease-heavy cooking, was surprisingly simple and intuitive. The Easy Clean Keg grease collection system neatly funneled all the excess oil, food scraps, and rendered fat away into a massive, easily accessible bucket. I wasn't left aggressively scraping a catastrophic, overflowing mess at the end of the night. If you want to expand your backyard repertoire beyond slow smoking and dive into serious, high-volume griddling, this machine is an absolute joy to operate. 4. Traeger Irontop 4-burner griddle. When I finally unboxed and assembled this absolute beast of a machine, I knew instantly that I was looking at a high-performance outdoor kitchen upgrade. It commands immediate presence on the patio with its sleek aesthetic and delivers on every single performance promise made by the manufacturer. The sheer amount of culinary real estate you get with this 4-burner setup is genuinely incredible. I actively tested its absolute capacity during a massive neighborhood block party, aggressively throwing down dozens of smashed burgers, towering mounds of caramelized onions, and buttered toasted buns, all simultaneously. The carbon steel surface heated up impressively fast and, more importantly, retained that scorching heat perfectly even when heavily loaded with cold, raw meat. What I loved most during my extensive testing was the surgical precision control offered by the 4 independent burners. It allows for a massive amount of culinary flexibility that makes you feel like you are running a professional restaurant line right out of your backyard. The construction feels incredibly robust, featuring heavy-duty materials and a solid, planted stance that represents a massive step up in quality compared to the wobbly, entry-level griddles flooding the market today. The integrated side, shelving, and tool organization built directly into the cart made the whole cooking process incredibly smooth and enjoyable. I had all my heavy spatulas, oil squeeze bottles, paper towels, and favorite seasonings right at my fingertips on the PL accessory rail. It's a beautifully engineered, all-in-one workstation that definitively proves Traeger is dominating the flat-top griddle game just as much as they dominate the pellet smoker industry. 3. Traeger Woodridge Pro. This grill represents the absolute sweet spot for many backyard barbecue enthusiasts, perfectly blending high-end technological features with accessible, everyday usability. My very first test with this specific model was an overnight 10-pound pork shoulder, and the results were nothing short of spectacular. The implementation of their newer smart electric technology ensures that the internal auger feeds hardwood pellets into the fire pot with a consistency that feels like pure magic. I prepped the meat, plugged in the integrated meat probes, synced the grill to the Traeger app on my phone, and literally went to sleep in my bed. The grill flawlessly held exactly 225 degrees for 10 straight hours without a single hiccup or error code. The classic barrel shape and the internal fan system work together to create an incredible, swirling vortex of convection smoke that wraps the meat entirely from all angles. When I finally pulled that rested pork shoulder off the grates the next afternoon, the smoke ring was beautifully defined, deeply red, and packed with incredible, authentic wood-fired flavor. It's exactly this kind of effortless reliability that makes the Woodridge Pro a massive winner in my book. I also thoroughly enjoyed the reinforced chassis and the rugged, all-terrain wheels built into the cart. Moving this heavy smoker across my uneven stone patio and through patchy grass was an absolute breeze, unlike my experiences with some older, flimsier models. It feels like a truly premium, durable piece of equipment that is explicitly designed to last through years of intense, weekend barbecues in any weather condition. 2. Traeger Ironwood. This is the exact moment where you enter the true upper echelon of outdoor cooking equipment. The moment I started testing the Ironwood, I noticed a dramatic, undeniable difference in the sheer quality of the smoke it produces, largely due to its advanced, modernized architecture. The feature that completely blew my mind during my brisket test was the super smoke mode combined seamlessly with the downdraft exhaust system. Instead of the fragrant smoke just lazily wafting up and immediately out of a traditional top chimney, the downdraft system forcefully pulls the blue smoke over and around the meat before exiting from the bottom. My brisket bark was noticeably darker, richer, and crunchier than anything I had ever achieved on previous grills. The Wi-Fi technology integrated into this unit is exceptionally responsive and genuinely useful, not just a gimmick. I was actually running errands miles away from my house, checking the precise internal temperature of a roasting whole chicken right from the supermarket aisle. I even adjusted the grill temperature up by 20 degrees from my phone just to get the skin perfectly crispy right before I pulled into my driveway. The double wall insulation is an absolute game changer for anyone who lives in colder climates or likes to smoke meat year-round. I intentionally ran a long test cook on a freezing, blustery winter evening, and the Ironwood didn't skip a single beat or burn through excess bags of pellets, trying to compensate for the frigid air. The heat retention is stellar, making it an incredibly reliable workhorse that performs flawlessly 365 days a year. 1. Traeger Ironwood XL. Everything that the standard Ironwood does incredibly well, the XL takes and magnifies into an absolute masterpiece of outdoor culinary engineering. When I fired this Titan up for a massive family reunion, it handled an overwhelming amount of food with breathtaking ease and precision. The cooking real estate on the XL is genuinely staggering. I comfortably fit 4 massive packer briskets on the dual-level grates simultaneously without any crowding or airflow restriction. The heat distribution across this massive surface area is flawlessly consistent. During my tests, there were absolutely no hot or cold spots to be found, meaning every single brisket cooked at the exact same, predictable rate, saving me hours of musical chairs with the meat. What truly elevates the XL far above the rest of the pack is the unparalleled level of user customization. The revolutionary PL pop-and-lock accessory rail system allowed me to snap on magnetic storage bins, butcher paper roll holders, and tool hooks exactly where I naturally wanted them. It felt significantly less like buying a standard grill and more like designing a fully personalized, high-end outdoor kitchen tailored specifically to my personal workflow. The full-color touchscreen interface on the controller is brilliantly intuitive, feeling much more like operating a modern smart tablet rather than twisting a clunky appliance dial. Combined with a massive, easy-clean grease and ash keg that cleverly collects all the messy waste into one easily removable container, the entire experience from start to finish is luxuriously effortless. This isn't just a grill. It's the ultimate statement piece for anyone completely serious about mastering the art of barbecue. Ultra. That's all for today.